Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Otter AI Chrome extension. In this walkthrough, we'll go from finding the extension in your browser to opening it and starting a recording. If you're new to Chrome extensions, don't worry. The process is simple, and once it's installed, it becomes much faster to access in the future. To begin, open Google in your Chrome browser. Starting from Google is an easy way to quickly find the Chrome Web Store listing for the extension if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once Google is open, type Chrome extension into the search field. This helps bring up results related to browser add-ons and is a good starting point for locating the extension you want to install. After the results page appears, click on the search bar again so you can refine what you're looking for. Now type Otter AI. This narrows the search and helps you find the correct Otter AI extension result more quickly. Next, click on the Otter AI result. Make sure you're selecting the extension listing that matches Otter AI so you land on the correct page for installation. Taking a moment here to choose the right result can help avoid installing the wrong tool. When the extension page opens, click Add Extension. Depending on your browser, you may first see an option such as Add to Chrome, followed by a confirmation prompt. Approving that prompt will complete the installation. After a few moments, Chrome should add the extension to your browser. Once the extension has been added, move to the top right area of your Chrome window and click on the Otter extension to open it. This is where you'll access the tool whenever you want to use it. If you use extensions often, you may also want to pin it in your browser for easier access later, although the main action here is simply to click the Otter extension. With the extension open, click Start Recording to begin recording. This is the step that activates the tool so it can start capturing your session. Before you do that, it's a good idea to make sure your microphone permissions are enabled and that you're ready to speak clearly so your recording is as accurate as possible. And that's it. You've now searched for the Otter AI Chrome extension, installed it, opened it from the top right corner of Chrome, and started a recording. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat.